Hello friends, Cal here. Welcome back to my channel, Cal Wanders. Today is July 1st, and that's Canada Day. Happy Canada Day. So I'm here in downtown Vancouver, and we're going to take a look around the celebrations and events happening here. Certainly a lot of people. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. Now I started a bit late because I was filming the Canada Day Parade in Steveston at their annual Steveston Salmon Festival. Be sure to check out that video, link in the description. And here we have Vancouver Convention Centre with its gorgeous view of the harbour. Wow, look at the lineup. Airbrush tattoo, anyone? The armed forces are here for recruitment, and they brought this massive SUV. Actually, this is the Chun Tactical Armored Patrol Vehicle. I heard it's four-wheel drive and has run flat tires. Now let's go over to take a look at the food trucks. There seems to be a lot of them. Which one is your favorite? And here's the 2010 Winter Olympics cauldron. The cauldron was designed by the Canadian aerospace manufacturer Bombardier. I believe this is lit for the opening and closing ceremonies of the Paris Olympics.
Like, not as a set, but I do them sometimes as just one of them.
Wow, cool. A giant Lego set. Let's go take a look at the seaplanes taking off. And here is one of two of the new high-speed ferries. They take only 70 minutes from downtown Vancouver to Nanaimo. compared to 1 hour 40 minutes with BC ferries from Horseshoe Bay. Have you taken this high-speed ferry before? I leave you with a segment of the armored patrol vehicle returning to base. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe. See you again in the next video.